pulling. All cameras. All cameras. Ready and action. There we go. Look at that. All right. Let's do that again.
Reset. Ready to run. You're ready. Reset.
Do that one more time.
So the crew guys in the front give anything you give at all? Any hand signals? All right. I want to give some hand signals. We're going to come right by you. Guys, go back to the crew.
What kind of signals do you guys give? We want to stack you guys up. So with long lens, we'll make you look very close. You know what I'm saying? So we'll put you kind of like this. So, you know, like over there, and that a little bit. We're stacked up with the sun. All right? Coming over the tower, 300. The tower is actually a good place to come.
Airboss, I'm going to. Do you want airplane mode or conversion mode on that?
Left. Correction, right. To me. Come on. Right. To me. Right. Oh yeah, baby. Below. Come around. Bring it down. Never fast.
I was also the first to use the ospreys, which are for extracting soldiers. It's kind of like a helicopter plane, and they actually rotate down and become gigantic propellers and go forward and go about 300 something miles an hour. The Warhogs were a very interesting kind of plane because it's kind of eerie because they get very low and they're just got this whine to it.
Are they coming, John? Okay, come higher up. Right now.
The military gave us the use of the Spooky, which is a C-130, specially equipped, like 18 guns.
Still a very sensitive aircraft. The technology that is involved with it is still very top secret.
I don't want you filming from that angle.
We scrambled the stealth fighter, like 50th stage there, so we had it roll around, but it's crazy.
Take that light right down there and light that noise thing up there.
Oh God, if Trent could just see me right now.
Wait, what?
You say if Trent could yeah, if Trent could see me right now. This is
I asked if you want to ride. We're not. You know, I'm just putting it out there. Yeah, don't say it's fine. Just kind of a nod.
The only thing Mike asked me when I was reading with him and auditioning, he just asked me if I could run. He's like, "Can you run?" I was like, "Well, yeah, I think so." And the other thing he asked me, he goes, "Do you have a nice stomach?" And I said, "Well, in my opinion, yes, I do." So I figured I'm going to be running, hopefully not naked, but I'll be running in a belly shirt, maybe.
Go! Drop! feels so deflated.
Megan, you gonna get a drink to me?
Are you throwing those on us?
No, then I'm gonna slap your ass with this towel.
And 3, 2, 1. Come on, guys.
It was just a high adrenaline situation. And, did you get that? I just know this. It was. Oh, I heard about it, right?
To do that, please. Mama, yeah!